In this video, I'm going to show you how to share folders on Dropbox. So what we will do is go to dropbox.com, and once you arrive there, then you need to create a new folder. You can create a new folder by clicking on this sign and then select folder. So we will create a new one, let's say folder 1. And after that, click on create. Now we have created folder 1, as you can see. The next step is to upload some files into it. Let's say we would like to share this picture with people in this folder. And now what you can do to share this folder with other people, then you can click on share folder. You have two options. You can click on add people, then you need to insert an email address of someone, and then they will get an invite to join this folder. But you can also click again on share and then click on copy link, so you can send the link to people to share this folder. And that is how you share a folder with Dropbox.